These are the elevators at the First Central Tower, St. Pete, Florida. The Rose Compass. Certificate. All right, let's go back down. That one doesn't work. Let's go back to lobby. We do get elevator again. Interesting how there is a 13th floor in this building. Normally you don't see that in the US. Let's ride a different one. As you see, there's 6 elevators on this bank, and A should have left us, so let's get another one. Now we have F. This one has a voice.
Floor.
Here's your inspection certificate. Hopefully we get this car again going down, but I guess no guarantees. We do get let's do a better cab view. So pretty basic in terms of the cab, but nice. These are pretty smooth elevators. Yeah, expiration August 2025.
First floor.